Hello guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial where I will show you how to easily and quickly deposit cryptocurrencies to your Binance account. If you don't already have one or you want to open a new one, you can use the sign up link from my video description and then you'll get another 20% discount on all trading fees, and that's forever. Alright, let's dive right into it. You just have to go log into your account, then go up here to wallet and then click on fiat and spot. Then you will get to this page where you can see an overview of all your cryptocurrencies and fiat balances right here. And now we want to deposit any cryptocurrency. You can just go to the coin that you want and then click on deposit right here. You can also search for a specific coin. Let's say we want to search for Nano, and then we have it right here, and then we can click on deposit. But in this case, let's just go for Bitcoin and then click right here on deposit. Then we can see our coin right here selected. We could also change it right here again. Then we have to choose a network that we want to deposit to. I would always recommend you to choose the one from the coin that you want to deposit, not anyone else, because then you will make sure that you will also be transferring the coins on the official Bitcoin blockchain or whichever coin you have chosen. All right, then right here, that's the cryptocurrency address that you have to deposit money to, that you will find right here. You can easily copy that right here to your clipboard and then send from your wallet or other exchange any money to that address right here, and then the money will be credited to your Binance account. And that's just as easy how it is. Then we just have to wait for a few minutes it depends on the coin, maybe an hour for Bitcoin, and then the money will arrive. Alright, that's already it for this tutorial. Don't forget to check out the sign up bonus with the fee discount in the video description, and hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.